Hello everybody and welcome back to this game. You know it. Hold on. Wow. Forgot to shut the door. Wow. Anyhow, you know this game. I've already played 2 episodes of it. And they were fun to play. Anyhow, sadly nobody is with me this time. Look at every time I put my cursor over the, it squawks. Oh, also look, customize. I have a new character. I have a new color. Okay, where is it? Where is it? I had it somewhere. There, I have it. Okay, now it looks good. Eyes. Okay, claws. Skin. Secondary color, primary color. So, I can make it that or that. It's a slightly darker ornithomimus, baby! We are still an elder. We still have not died yet. I think I'm taking down. Oh! I stand corrected. Well, a new life. The original swamp chicken is dead. Original swamp chicken is dead. Rest in peace, swamp chicken. I just finished uploading the first episode because I had to create my own thumbnail, and even then it didn't like it. Didn't enjoy the. Hold on, I forgot to turn off the players' names. Are you serious? Why every time I record? Every time I record, I get this stupid nighttime instantly. It's annoying. Wah! If I can get a good thumbnail for this one, I would really enjoy that. And you get somewhere where you can see me. I'm gonna make it my face. Oh, I'll just do it at daytime. Why don't I wait for that? Okay, so hopefully this video. Ooh, so yeah, the original swamp chicken, rest in peace. And also the cheapest the cheapest one is not 18 grand. It's 20 grand. And that's for Corethosaurus. So I'm thinking, hold on, what do you have? Hello, love. Can you die? Please? Let me kill it. Look at me, I'm a tiny little chicken killing a massive robot. Just bite it. It'll die eventually. The first time I saw this a robot like this, I didn't realize that they had that little box there. Ah! I didn't realize that gives you stuff. Oh, I fell on over. Fellin? I fell on over. Maybe I need to wait until I'm big and strong. I can't land a hit because I'm too short. I got 3 hits in that time. It was epic. Look at me just chasing around a little robot. Hiya! Stop walking away. Oh, yep. Give me your box. The thing that it's holding is really good. Please just die. Maybe if I go first person, it'll be easier. I did that. I did that. I got a white crate. Yo, now watch this. If I go to menu, my inventory, open, white crate. It costs 350 DNA, but that's okay. It's a color key. Okay. Okay, so I can get packs. Oh, I got gears. I needed those. Okay, good. Okay, so look, if I go to customize, I got a key, so secondary colors for my tail. I want a primary color, and I want it to be... Yes! Now I have a yellow chicken. A yellow chicken, yes! Also, a player just found me right as I left the lobby. But now I'm a yellow chicken. You can't see it, but I'm a yellow chicken. At least you can see it, but you can, what am I standing on? I'm just gonna, oh, I'm standing on the tree. Can I climb it? That should be a controller as a baby. You can climb trees.
I have a 7-minute long clip.
Yep.
That's a long clip.
You're a long clip. So, our main target, what is that? It's a Brachiosaurus. You want to go look for it? Let's go find it. Let's go find the Brachiosaurus and hope it's a player. Oh, he's not that big. It is. Wait, no, it's a baby. It's so cute.
Kill it.
Look at how what the? I can't kill that if I even tried. Look at the. What? Ow!
He stepped on you.
Rude.
I think it's a player.
It isn't. It says their names above it if it's a player.
What does it say?
Brachiosaurus.
Cool.
Brachiosaurus. Said that wrong.
Brachiosaurus rex.
What?
You're dying.
Stop hurting me. Oh, I'm thirsty. I need to run. Retreat, 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 retreat. Oh, I don't have much health either.
You have a minute left to drink some water.
It only does 1 damage.
Look,
But
1
we're good.
damage a second, so that's why I said a minute.
Come here, water.
Yeah. Now eat some bushes.
Will you stop commentating my video? I peck at the ground and somehow I eat a tree.
And somehow, at a random point in your video, you're gonna start playing with somebody.
Oh, Jackson's joining us. So, we're gonna have Gusty Carp join us. I'm climbing the tree. Oh, close. Wait, can I still eat? I was on a branch. That one doesn't even have any branches. That one does. Ah! I hit my head on it.
Okay, how do you do this?
And there's a Sora.
Bro, I literally spawned at the bottom of a lake. I'm gonna die instantly.
You did? Hopefully the thumbnail will work this time. Ah, please don't kill me, Sora Pelta.
Oh, we're so far away. I'm at the inlet cliffs.
Okay, wait, what? Where are you?
I'm at the inlet cliffs.
Inlet cliffs. Oh, actually, I'm not far away from there.
Where are you?
I'm closer to the inlet cliffs than I am the volcano.
Where do you want to meet?
Yeah, let's meet at Inlet Cliffs, because I'm right here.
Oh, where?
The same small one.
The same? No, let's just meet at the cliff that you're right at.
Okay.
Because I am literally right there.
Do you see my little dot on the screen?
Here, are you a giant green dot?
Possibly.
That's bigger than me?
Possibly.
Okay, I'll see.
Yep. Probably. Because I don't see a big green dot.
Where are you? Oh, no, you're not.
Okay, I'll find you.
Just go around the... Here, where are you? Yeah, go that way.
Where are you?
I'm coming.
The swamp chicken is coming.
Swamp chicken? I am a swamp chicken.
Hello, swamp chicken.
Where?
Wait, that's not a swamp chicken.
Where are you? Are you...
What the heck? This guy has a crazy looking ornithomimus. It's like blue.
Okay. Here, just run along the edge of it. I'm so patient.
No. Wait, hold on.
Wait, you somehow passed me up. Turn around.
Hold on. No, there's a question mark.
Walk literally.
There's a question mark. I'm here to collect question marks. Please be the last Indoraptor.
Okay.
Last Utah raptor I need. Please have the Utah raptor fossil. Yo, I need one more.
Oh, bro, there's a Triceratops right here.
Where are you?
Walk literally. Oh, dead thingy.
I see a Brachiosaurus.
Cool.
Are you in my server? I'm next to the Triceratops.
You are? Here, I'm coming.
Hello, love.
Yay!
There he is. Look at me. I'm a slightly more yellow one.
I need to change my name for you.
Wait, hold on. Wait, come here. Maybe I need to make that my thumbnail. I'm making that. Hold on. Anyhow, we're back.
Why
Sorry,
did you want
took
my
a better.
head by your tail, though?
Because it looked cool.
Wait, I'm gonna see the question mark.
Okay, I want to say hi to this Brachiosaurus. I think it's not even a thing.
Whoa!
I am.
Oh, what's this? What are all these rocks? Oh, what am I grabbing? Oh no, I need water.
What's happening?
Where'd you go?
I'm on top of the Brachiosaurus.
Oh, where did I go? Okay.
Please don't kill me, Trike.
I want a drink.
Jackson's playing on a small device, phone. So.
Okay, where are you? Where'd you
Oh,
go?
the Brachiosaurus is angry.
Oh!
He was AFK.
Oh my gosh! He's trying to kill me. He's chasing me.
I think he thinks you are me. Also, that's not a Brachiosaurus. That's a Diplodocus.
Cool.
It's so pretty.
I'm not healing. How do I heal? What did he say?
Ah!
Sorry, other Orny.
Wrong ornithomimus.
Period. Oop, wrong Orny. Sorry, other Orny. Ooh, more food.
Help, Jaxie.
I want to eat.
Sorry, I have to scale the
I
cliffs.
just kicked a piece of meat so far away. Let me eat. Yeah.
Whoa. What the? I'm almost at the top of this cliff I've never been on top of.
Where the heck are you? Why did you abandon me?
I didn't.
You did.
Parkour. Yo.
Where
I'm on the top of the second biggest cliff.
I don't know where you are. How wherever you are.
I'm a yellow chicken.
How much health do you have?
139.
Okay, 100. Are you fully grown?
No, that's the screenshot.
Wait,
Well,
get up there fast enough.
I already took it. Nope, the horizon's already back. It's too light. I'm jumping down. Oh, the Diplodocus is there.
No, I literally just now got to the top.
Yeah, but it's too light. Also, you're at the wrong spot.
Where are you?
I'm on a smaller cliff.
Wait,
I am Simba.
wait,
Ah!
do you see me or something?
No. Is
Why can't I
that
sprint?
Diplodocus trying to
How
get
do
to
I
me?
sit down?
I think the Diplodocus is trying to get to me.
How do I sit down on this?
You do Z.
Z?
Oh, right, you're not on a computer. Well, I don't want to go down. There's a Diplodocus out for blood. Oh, he's right below me, too. Heck, I know where you are. I will find you.
What
I
do you
will
do
kill
with,
you.
like, stone and coal?
I don't know. I just gotta run. I'm almost out of... Oh. I thought he was AFK in my defense. I thought he was, like... It didn't show his name tag. It didn't show
Where
anything.
are you?
Running away from life.
You just leaving me behind?
Yep. Later, nerd.
Great.
Ah! Why am I not?
There's so many question marks
No,
where I am.
no,
There's 3 question
no,
marks.
no,
like the
no,
same
no,
spot.
no, 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 no. No! 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 I'm drowning! Because I have nowhere near enough. No! No! Dang it!
No! Oh, nice.
2 swamp chickens have died now.
2? I'm not dead yet.
No, my original swamp chicken and this swamp chicken. 2 swamp
Should I
chickens
attack
have
this
died.
random person?
2 swamp chickens have died. Well, I guess that's a good place to leave off this video. If you've enjoyed the video, leave a like, and I see you in the next one. Bye-bye!